dumbbell chest fly. You're going to lie down on a bench, 2 dumbbells in your hands, and instead of bringing them down to your shoulders, you're still going to open your chest up, but bring them out to the side, keeping a slight bend in the elbow. Out to the side, open the chest up. Before you feel too much of a stretch, I want you to stop and then pull them in together. Think about crushing something in between your hands. That's going to really get those pecs. Push forward, and that's the dumbbell chest fly.